Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. So in today's video we are going to answer a secret code for a treasury telegram airdrop. So if this video is been helpful to you guys, please kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you. So let's go together. So here is the interface of treasury telegram airdrop. So all you need to do is to come in this section and click on it. So firstly you need to click the door like 2 times. If you click the door 2 times, there was like this code that will appear like a sheet of paper which is included some code which is 2703. So here is the code that we are going to important in this section. So let's go to it. So let's click on it. So as you can see, like here is the interface of the quest. So all you need to do is to come this section which is activity. So click on it. So let's click on this start. So let's click it. So here we are going to import the code that we have. So let's import the code 2703. So here is the code. So let's click on check. So congratulations, we have imported the correct answer, the correct code. So let's click on claim. So congratulations, we have successfully imported the correct answer. So everything related to this telegram treasury airdrop, so definitely I promise to provide it here. So all you need to do is to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you may not miss any update whenever I upload the video. So this video is been helpful. Kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.